Hello students, let's start our today's current affairs session. We are starting with our first day news, which is related to appointment. Our first question is Adani's port has signed a 30-year agreement for Dar Ed Salaam port of which countries? Dar Ed Salaam port is located in Tanzania. So recently Adani Group has signed an agreement with Tanzania. In this agreement, Adani Group will use the Dar es Salaam port for 30 years. So this question is very simple. Adani Port has recently signed a 30-year agreement with Tanzania for the port of Dar es Salaam port. So here examiner can ask two type of question. First question is Dar es Salaam port is situated in which country? The answer is Tanzania, and the examiner also asked that Adani Port recently acquired which port of Tanzania? And then port name is Dar es Salaam port. So both are important, the name of the port and the country. Clear? So Dar es Salaam port is located in Tanzania, which is acquired by Adani Port for 30 years. Okay. Adani Port also acquire many ports in India as well as Sri Lanka. So here are the list of some important ports which is acquired by Adani. Okay, so in East Western Ghat, there are also 7 ports and terminals which are acquired by Adani's. The Mudra port, which is located in Gujarat, the Tuna port, which is also located in Gujarat, and Dahej and Hazira port. So 4 ports are located in Gujarat: Mudra, Tuna, Dahej, or Hazira. And Mormugao port is in Goa. Dighi port is in Maharashtra and Vichim port is in Kerala. So there are 4 ports in Gujarat which is acquired by Adani's. There is one port known as Mormugao, which is located in Goa, also acquired by Adani's. Dighi port is also acquired by Adani's, situated in Maharashtra, and Vijayam port is also acquired by Adani's, which is situated in Kerala. There are 8 ports and terminals in Eastern Ghat of India, which is acquired by Adani's. Haldia port is in West Bengal. Dhamra or Gopalpur port is in Odisha. Gangavaram or Krishnapatnam port is in Andhra Pradesh, and Kattapalli or Ethror port is in Tamil Nadu. And Karaikal port is in Pondicherry. So one port is in West Bengal known as Haldia port. 2 ports are in Odisha, Dhamra or Gopalpur. 2 ports are in Andhra Pradesh, which is acquired by Adani Group, Gangavaram or Krishnapatnam. Kattupalli or Ennore port are in Tamil Nadu, and Karailar port is in Pondicherry. Okay. There are 2 more outside India port which are acquired by Adani. As we recently read that Dar es Salaam port is in Tanzania, which is recently acquired by Adani's, and there is a Haifa port which is in Israel, also acquired by Adani, and Colombo port which is in Sri Lanka, also acquired by Adani. So these are the majorly port acquired by Adani. Here are some static points related to Tanzania. Tanzania is a African country which is situated near to Lake Victoria, as you can see in the map. Basically, equator passes through Tanzania. You can see there is equator line which is passes through Tanzania. The capital is Dodoma. The currency is shilling, and the president is Samia Suluhu. Our next question is related to important day, and the day is World Milk Day. So when was World Milk Day celebrated? Every year we celebrated World Milk Day on 1st of June. And this time the theme was celebrating the vital role daily plays in delivering quality nutrition to nourish the world. So we celebrated World Milk Day on 1st of June, and this time the theme was celebrating the vital role daily plays in delivering quality nutrition to nourish the world. Okay, we are talking about World Milk Day. There is also a National Milk Day. Every year we celebrated on 26th November because on 26th November, the father of white revolution, Dr. Varghese Kurian, born. So on the birth anniversary of Dr. Varghese Kurian, we celebrated National Milk Day, and which which is in every year 26th of November, and on 1st June every year we celebrated World Milk Day. World Milk Day is celebrated by FAO, which was established in 16th of October 1945, and the headquarter of FAO is in Rome, Italy. Clear? Our next news is related to appointment and brand ambassador. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for tobacco control by the government of India? So recently, government of India appointed PV Sindhu as brand ambassador for tobacco control, and the theme is Save Child from Tobacco Production. So PV Sindhu recently appointed as the brand ambassador for tobacco control by government of India. Okay, let's move to our next question, next news, which is related to awards. Okay, the question is, which Indian institute was awarded the WHO Nelson Mandela Award 2024? The World Health Organization recently declared Nelson Mandela Award 2024, and this time Indian Institute NIMHANS won this award. So which Indian institute won WHO Nelson Mandela Award 2024? NIMHANS. So let's discuss some points related to NIMHANS. Okay, NIMHANS won WHO Nelson Mandela Award for 2024. NIMHANS refers to the National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Basically, it is an institute which provide free services for mental health and neuroscience or related to neuro diseases. Last year, this institute also won Meningitis Award. So NIMHANS is based on Bengaluru, Karnataka, which was established on 27th of December 1974. The Director General of NIMHANS is Dr. Pratima Murthy. Also, World Health Assembly, yet 77th World Health Assembly meeting was conducted in Geneva, Switzerland. Clear? So NIMHANS won the World Health Organization Nelson Mandela Award for his contribution in mental health and neuroscience. So World Health Organization, it is an organization which was established on 7th of April 1948. The headquarters of World Health Organization is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the head of World Health Organization is Tedros Adhanom. So Tedros Adhanom is the head of World Health Organization. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the World Health Organization was established on 7th of April 1948. Clear? So here we discuss many points related to WHO, the Nelson Mandela Awards, also the organization known as NIMHANS. So we are not covering single question, we are covering more than 5 questions from one question. Let's see the next news. Which Indian American won the 2024 Scripps National Spelling Bee Award? And that time Brohat Soma won the National Spelling Bee Award. Basically, Scripps National Spelling Bee Award is a it's a type of competition where you have to answer the difficult spelling. So Brahat Soma answered 29 words spelling and won this title. So this time Brahat Soma won the Scripps National Spelling Bee Award. She is native Indian, matlab she born in India but she is living in America. She is only 12 years old girl. So Brahat Soma, important name hai. You have to understand that she won a Scripps National Spelling Bee Award. Okay, very important question. Which African country has started using GM mosquito to fight malaria? Okay, malaria is a big problem. Here we don't have any, medicine or any injection for malaria. So now, first time Djibouti has started or developed GM mosquito to fight malaria. So Djibouti started or inaugurate GM mosquito technique to fight malaria. So Djibouti is a African country. Here are some static points related to Djibouti. The capital of Djibouti is Djibouti city and the currency is francs. So here you can see the Djibouti location. Here is Red Sea. Here is Gulf of Aden. Here is a strait known as Bal Ab Mandab between Djibouti, Eritrea and Yemen. ठीक है? So Djibouti is the part of southern Gulf countries. Like these are the Gulf countries. This is the southern part of Gulf country, and Djibouti is located in this segment or this location near to Indian Ocean. Done. Next question is also related to appointment. Who has become the director of IGCAR? IGCAR, it refers to Indira Gandhi Center for Atomics Research, which was established in 1971 in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. So, the director of IGCAR. IGCAR is the organization named Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, and C.G. Karhadkar became the director of IGCAR. Here are some static points related to IGCAR. It was established in 1971 in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. Done. So, direct question, appointment related to appointment director of IGCAR. Next, most important question. From which country has RBI transfer 100 ton of gold to its domestic reserve in India? So RBI stored approx 400 ton of gold in UK bank या Bank of England. Recently, RBI transferred 100 ton of gold to its domestic reserve in India. So basically, this is a forex reserve system. We will discuss this topic in economics or later section. You have to understand this, that if a country have maximum gold reserve, then the countries became the most powerful country. So the economy of the countries depend on the gold reserve. India reserve approx 400 ton of gold in Bank of UK या Bank of England. Now India transfer 100 ton of gold to its domestic reserve. Also, here are some data related to India gold reserve. Okay, you have to remember this. India rank 9 in gold reserve with 8.09 ton gold. The first rank America became the first country having maximum gold reserve, and India ranked 900. The second is Germany. The third rank is Italy. Fourth is France. Fifth is Russia. Sixth is China. Seventh is Switzerland. Eighth is Japan, and India rank 9 in gold reserve with 8.09 metric ton gold. Done. Here are some static points related to RBI. So RBI was established in 1st of April 1935 with the recommendation of Young Hilton Commission. The present governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. He is 25th RBI governor. The first British governor was Sir Osborne Smith, and first Indian governor was C.D. Deshmukh. So RBI was established in 1st of April 1935 in Calcutta. First it was established in Calcutta. Later in 1937, RBI shifted to Mumbai, and presently the headquarter of RBI is in Mumbai itself. So which commission is responsible for RBI? The Young Hilton Commission is responsible for RBI. This commission is also known as Royal Commission of India. Presently, 25th governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das, and the first British governor. As you know, RBI established in 1935. So here we are under dominion type of British. The first British governor was Sir Osborne Smith. And first Indian governor or first governor after independence was C.D. Deshmukh. Okay. Next question is also related to space. Let's read the question. What is NASA's Magellan mission, which was in the news related to? NASA recently launched Magellan Mission 2.0, and this mission is launched Venus planet. So NASA wants to discover some points on Venus planets. That's why he launched Magellan Mission 2.0. This was not the first time NASA launched any mission to Venus. Previously, on 4th of May 1989, NASA launched Magellan first, and recently Magellan 2.0 mission launched to Venus planet. Clear? So this question is related to space questions or space agencies question. And NASA's Magellan mission is very important mission. First, NASA launched this mission on 4th of May 1989, and this time NASA launched 2.0 version of Magellan mission. The 8 planets, first is Mercury, second is Venus, and Earth is the third farthest planet from the Sun. Fourth is Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune. Here are some other missions launched by other yeah, different space agencies. Space mission. Space mission is launched to study ocean and atmosphere. Artemis mission. Artemis mission is also launched by NASA to send human again on moon. And the first person is Christina Koch. Da Vinci mission. It is also a Venus mission will be launched by 2029 to understand the hard surface atmosphere of Venus. Next is NISAR satellite. NISAR satellite, NISAR, NASA and ISRO. NISAR refers to NASA and ISRO. So basically, NASA and ISRO launch a NISAR satellite. It is basically a type of radar, a synthetic aperture radar. So NISAR is the combined project of NASA and ISRO. Represent NASA and SAR represent ISRO. Basically, this is a mission, and with this satellite, NASA or ISRO launch a radar. Here are some points related to NASA. NASA refers to National Aeronautical and Space Administration, which was established in 1950. The headquarters of NASA is in Washington, D.C., and the motto is for the benefit of all. So 1958, NASA was established and headquarters is in Washington, D.C., and the motto is for the benefit of all. Okay, let's move to the another question. Okay, the question is related to objury. The question is, Pupettar Maguni Charan Kumar passed away. In which year he awarded Padma Shri Award? So in 2003, previous year, Pupettam Maguni Charan received Padma Shri Award, or recently he passed away. So let's see or see some important points related to Pupettam Maguni Charan. Pupettam Maguni Charan belongs to Odisha. Where in Odisha? Keonjhar. And he passed away at the age of 87. In 2023, he was awarded the Padam Shri for keeping the art of road puppet alive. So this is very important. He is an artist who do road puppet alive. In 2012, Maguni Charan Kumar was awarded Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy, and in 2004 he awarded Central Natak Academy Award. So here are three awards. First is Padam Shri. In 2003, he awarded by Padam Shri. In 2012, he was awarded by Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy. There are two types of Natak Academy. But one is Central Natak Academy and second is State Natak Academy. So Central Natak Academy Award he was awarded in 2004, and state which state he belongs to? Odisha. Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy awarded Maguni Charan Kumar in 2012 for his road puppet alive show, yeah, art. Clear? So he was an important personality still. He is an important personality who won Padam Shri Sangeet Natak Academy for Central and State both. Okay, let's see the next question, which is related to festival. Festivals are very important for all the government exams. Okay, read the question. The question is, where was Phul Dei Mahotsav 2024 celebrated? So every year Uttarakhand celebrated Dei Mahotsav or Dei festival. Basically, Phul Dei is a type of festival where the Pin Valley National Park. Basically, there is a national park known as Pin Valley National Park, which is situated in Uttarakhand. In a particular season, the Pin Valley National Park is full with different type of flowers. So this festival is celebrated in Pin Valley National Park, and you can also recognize with the name Dei Mahotsav. Phul Dei Mahotsav 2024 celebrated in Uttarakhand every year. Clear? Okay. So let's quick revise the questions which we recently discussed. Our first question is 30-year agreement for Dar es Salaam port of which country signed by Adani Port? The port is situated in Tanzania, and Adani Port acquired this. Adani Group acquired this port for 30-year. Yeah, on 30-year lease. Next question: World Milk Day. Every year we celebrated World Milk Day on 1st of June and National Milk Day on 26 November on the birth anniversary of Vergis Kurian, who is known as father of White Revolution. Brand ambassador for tobacco control, PV Sindhu. The government of India appointed PV Sindhu as brand ambassador for tobacco control. Next is WHO Nelson Mandela Award. Nimhans organization won WHO Nelson Mandela Award 2024. Nimhans basically it is a Karnataka based organization which work on mental health and Neuroscience. Scripps National Spelling Bee Award won by Bruhat Soma. Which African country has started using GM mosquito to fight malaria? Djibouti. The Djibouti became the first African or first country in the world who started GM mosquito to fight malaria. Next, appointment director of IGCR Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, C.G. Karhadkar. C.G. Karhadkar became the director of IGCAR. And IGCAR is in Tamil Nadu, Calcutta, Kalpakkam, which was established on 1971. Recently, RBI transferred 100 ton of gold to its domestic reserve from United Kingdom, UK. NASA Magellan mission is in news related to which planet? Venus planet, which was launched on 4th of May 1989 first. Obchuri Maguni Charan Kumar passed in when he won Padam Shri in 2023. In 2012, he won Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy. In 2004, he won Central Natak Academy Award. And last question was, Phool Dei Mahotsav was celebrated in Uttarakhand. So this is our segment for today. Hope you like this video. Thank you.